Hi, this is May. We are here today at the Ziyad kitchen and we're really excited to assemble a Mezze platter for you. Mezze is a style of eating to be shared with family and friends, so it's a perfect time to entertain with Mezze during the holidays or any festive occasions that you might have. It's something to be savored, eaten slowly and patiently, and enjoyed among family and friends. First, you want to pick your ingredients. And for Mezze, the exciting is that there's a mix of ingredients, textures. Some ingredients are served hot, some room temperature, and some fresh ingredients. For our Mezze platter today, we are going to be making some crispy falafel, some sizzling cheese, and also stuffed grape leaves. And also to cut through the richness of the falafel, we're going to use some briny items like pickles and olives. And Mezze is never complete without dips. For our dips today, we're using creamy Labneh that we're gonna swirl with a little bit of za'atar on top, some baba ganoush with that smoky, delicious eggplant, some hummus that's creamy, maybe sprinkle a little Aleppo pepper or cumin on top, and then no Mezze is ever complete without the fresh ingredients. So make sure that you include seasonal items that are fresh and delicious at the peak of their freshness. For you today, we are gonna make a Tabouli salad. Tabouli is a parsley salad that will complement our Mezze platter perfectly. For more information on how to assemble this easy Mezze platter, check out ziyad.com, link in the description. All right, let's get started. Nobody will ever know that you did not stuff these grape leaves by yourself. They're actually individually stuffed by hand, and they are stuffed with this herb, delicious rice filling that is going to be perfect for your Mezze platter. And to freshen things up, just add a squeeze of lemon juice that will brighten up all the flavors, just like that on top, and a nice drizzle of olive oil. Swirl the baba ganoush really well to combine before you add it to your platter. A nice sprinkling of Aleppo pepper highlights that smoky eggplant flavor. We're gonna fry some delicious, crispy and herby falafel. That's gonna be a delicious addition to our Mezze platter. Ziyad falafel is so easy to assemble and put together. All you have to do is mix the boxed ingredients with a little bit of water, let it sit, and then you'll have a delicious mixture of falafel that's ready to be fried. We're gonna be frying some delicious cheeses. They're salty and briny. We're gonna do a Nabulsi cheese that has nigella seeds running through it. It's salty and delicious. And we're also gonna do some Arabian cheese that we're gonna cut into cubes, drench in a little bit of flour so it holds its shape. It'll be oozing a little bit and crispy, and it's gonna be delicious. Right now, we are dredging the cheese in a little bit of flour. Just give it a light dusting so it doesn't stick to the oil. Honeycomb adds a nice sweetness to the salty fried cheese. Chop your veggies as small as possible for the salad. Make sure you wash and soak your bulgur for a few minutes. Drain well and squeeze out all the water before adding it to your salad. Finely chopped mint adds a refreshing element to the salad. Tabouli dressing is really simple and refreshing. All it is fresh lemon juice, it's freshly squeezed, a little bit of salt. You're gonna drizzle in a little bit of olive oil. You can do dried mint, put it in a jar and shake it up. Use the tender lettuce leaves as a way to eat your tabouli salad. Herby za'atar complements the creamy labneh really well and adds a beautiful pop of color. We are now ready for the party. Our mezze platter is completely assembled. There is something for everyone. There's crispy falafel, tangy stuffed grape leaves, creamy dips, and that salty cheese with a little bit sweetness from that honeycomb. We have fresh tabouli. There's something for everyone. Let's eat.